What's up, everyone, to another video of Full Speed on Pulse, and today we're back with the CRF110 on the build series videos. Today we got some good stuff for you guys. As you might have seen in previous videos with our KLX 110s, we love running these Mitas tires. Just a great way to improve your bike is by putting these tires on using the stock tubes that come in your tires. You don't have to get different size tubes. You can run the original size tubes in these tires. What you are doing, you're bumping your front up here, which is like a 60, let's see, where's she at? 60, 100, and you are bumping that puppy up to a 90, 90, guys. 14, big dog tire. And then on the rear here, you're an 80, 100, and this tire here is a 90, 100. And I mean, you can just see that they are way bigger in size. And it is just such a great improvement to run these tires. If you're wondering what some of the benefits for you to be running these tires are, is one, is that they're a gnarly tire. They're definitely big. They're going to bump up your seat height on your bike, making your bike have a bigger, taller stance to it. They're wider. They're going to give you better traction. And the best thing about this is if you do some rough woods riding or rough terrain, rocks involved, stuff like that, it gives you more tire between your rim. You have a less chance of maybe flattening your rim or even just pinching the tube and getting a flat on the trails, which we all know is a no bueno situation, especially if you're far from camp. It just gives such a great look to the bike, and it's like there's no going back. Once you see these tires on this bike and you're looking at your stock tires again, it's like it just doesn't look right anymore. So even though we've been dabbling and changing our own tires and all that, and we're getting okay at it, we'd still probably need a couple extra tubes just in case. We're going to send these off to our buddy, which is already working on our YF Z450 for us while we do other projects in our garage. And he's going to knock these wheels out for us real quick. So we're going to send these off to him, and then we'll come back here later in the video. Just a quick show here, guys. We run the IRC tire heavy-duty tubes. Actually get these for a great price off Amazon. And we always run the heavy-duty tubes for sure. And just a little peek onto our next videos coming, guys. We are getting going on this RM, I promise you. We got the case splitter here. We're deciding to do the motor ourselves, but we still have to send the crank out to have that done. Make sure everything's good on that. And we definitely gotta clean this up here. But other than that, guys, we're gonna get this motor going, because once we get this part done, it's game on. We'll be right back, guys. We're gonna get these tires on. All right. All right, guys, we're back in the garage here. Got our tires back from our buddy. He did them up pretty quick for us. So right there, look how much bigger that tire is. That is crazy. Front tire, looking good. It's time to get these wheels back on the bike here, and then we'll, guys, show you what it looks like. Woo! There she is. Man, those tires are big. That is definitely looking way better. Got that plenty of clearance. Now, see, that's what the new Mitas tires that have. The old ones were actually even wider, and you would definitely have been pushing the limits. Usually the whiskers on the tires would rub the paint off the forks. Back tire, plenty of clearance. Now, I am going to say, you're going to have to watch out on those stock swing arms. I can't confirm that this tire is going to fit. Just because that tire, these tires like always seem to like really hug the front on these CRF110s, because the swing arms do not extend out much. Whenever you look at a CRF, like the tire's like in the bike. It's not until you get the BBR swing arm, like it pushes it out, and I mean that's extended, and it's like now it looks like it fits perfect. For whatever reason, you know, it is what it is. But the stock swing arm on the 110s, they just, I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I think they look a little goofy on the CRF 110s. They just don't seem like they fit the bike right until you put that BBR swing arm. Now we got that BBR swing arm. She's looking good, looking dialed. So maybe you would have to do with that stock swing arm. Maybe that tire would fit, but you might have to like run a little adjustment out and not be able to use like your inner adjustment. You'd have to make sure you always keep it a little bit on the outside adjustment, which is going to be a little finicky, trying to get that always dialed where your chain's not too loose, but you know what I mean. But make sure you guys follow us, because now we're getting into the good stuff. Now we're going to do the big bore. We got a big bore fuel injector. We got a 26 mil intake throttle body with the intake manifold tube or whatever. And then we also have that your intake tube. We're gonna modify that air box. Did I say fuel injector? We got a fuel injector. We're gonna do that CGR tune. No cam. We're gonna leave the head alone. So I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.